Hello, David again, MarineMax and Lake Hopatcong. Today we're on the Hard, standing next to a 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This boat is fully loaded. I can't wait to show you. By fully loaded, stainless steel anchor, washdown up the front, docking lights, black in color with a gel stripe. As I move to the aft of the boat, we have dynamic running surface underneath. You can see this large trim platform. Through-hole exhaust, which is changeable with a switch up on the dashboard, so it can sound throaty or it can be quiet. As I come right around here, of course, our stainless steel boarding ladder, Bravo 3 drive, underwater lights, and a hydraulic swim platform. Now we're up on the deck of the 280. We have SeaDek on the swim platform underneath my feet, brand new pattern for 2022. There's a charge port over here. On the port side, these lounge up independently of each other. Of course, stone interior. Storage underneath for fenders, lines, access to get down in deep. Cup holders, of course. We have a transom sprayer right here. As I mentioned earlier, there's a bow sprayer as well. A built-in cooler in the walk-through. Stereo controls, switches right here for the swim platform and the tower. We have a power tower. So I come inside of the cockpit. Battery switches are also right here on the starboard side. First thing you turn on, last thing you turn off. Okay, a little farther into the cockpit now. Once again, SeaDek under my feet. This is snap-in, removable, brand new layout for 2022. On the starboard side, we have a port cool box, like a refrigerator built in. Carry-off cooler as well. We have a table that sits right here, comes up, designated storage. Of course, power lift hatch. I haven't mentioned yet, this boat is powered with 380 horsepower big block Merc Cruiser, 4-stroke fuel injected, of course. Plenty of power for the boat. Power tower above my head, accent lighting, speakers on the tower. We also ordered this boat in with tower speakers. They're not installed yet, being it just came in. As I come forward, we have captain's chair on the port side. This will slide and also pivot so you can face your guests. His and her captain's seat. This allows you to slide forward and back. Of course, flip up bolster, digital throttle, digital shift. Dynamic running surface. This is the automatic trim tab system we discussed. All of our switches are over here. We can also control the windlass and the tower down here on the right hand side. Dual screens, fusion stereo system, tower speakers, amplifiers, tilt steering wheel. We'll spin around here. We got a glove box on the port side. Large head compartment. This also has the upgraded head interior. Our speakers are in there, bow filler cushion are in there right now. I come forward, the flip up windshield. White side come up here. Ample seating, armrests, storage under the helm, bow door. We have shore power over here on the starboard side. You can see from the outside of the boat in the beginning of the video. Of course, we can access our windlass from up here with our bow sprayer. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you. Thank you.